everybody, I'm Latrina Patrick. Welcome to day 76 of our 90-day grant writing tutorial. Today I want to talk to you about how replication and dissemination play a part in your organization getting funded. Today the grant writing process is so competitive and the funding for projects is just limited. So funders want to make sure that they are getting the most bang for their buck. The way you want to demonstrate that is through replication and dissemination. And let me break down for you what that means. Basically, you want to make sure that you can demonstrate to funders how your program can be replicated and then how you're going to disseminate that information. Because if you can show them that your program, which hopefully is very innovative and creative, and if it's something new and they're funding what they call a seed project where they're giving you money to start something new and get it off the ground, they want to make sure that if it works that it can be easily done by another organization, and that way that keeps that money going because now they can be attached to something that's successful and they had a hand in getting started. So you want to demonstrate in your proposal how your program can be replicated and how you can disseminate the information. Replication refers to another organization's ability to do what it is that you're doing. Dissemination is something that has to come from the awardee. So it's your responsibility to demonstrate to that funder how you're going to disseminate this information. So today I want to present to you some questions that you can ask to help you answer that and address that very thing in your proposal. So here are some questions that you want to ask when you're determining how it is that you're going to best disseminate this information about your program. So here are some questions for guidance. Number one, you can list the types of organizations that could use your project. So give some thought to who else could benefit from your particular project. Number two, what parts of your project can be used by these organizations as is? So just as it is that you have it and that you're going to implement it, think of the types of organizations that could take it as is and go ahead and use it right out the gate. Number three, what parts of your project would have to be tailored to meet another organization's needs? So if it can be done with another organization that's a little different from yours, what are you going to have to do to tailor it for that particular organization to be able to replicate your program? Number four, what information could you provide to help others produce the project? So how is it that you could work with this new organization to actually do the project, to make it work from them? So you would have to, be able to provide them with some technical assistance to help them make your project work for their organization. Number five, through what associations, networks, and clearinghouses are you going to spread information about your project? So how are you going to get the information out? Is it going to be through your website? Is it going to be, other sources from the internet? Is it going to be through local printing, through a paper? Whatever it is that you're going to do. Now social media is so popular, and that's where we are today. That's a great resource for getting information out. So you want to be able to answer that question and put that into your proposal. And then the final question is, are you going to publicize the project, and if so, how? So you really want to think about how it is you're going to get the information out about the project and how you're going to do that. So those are the questions that will guide you in addressing this particular issue in your proposal. And I tell you, if you can do this well, and if you already have a great proposal, when it comes to the replication and dissemination, this is going to put you above everybody else because most people won't speak to that. And if you do, that's going to increase your chances of getting funding. So I hope you found this helpful today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those for me here on my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. That way you'll get immediate notification whenever I upload a new video. And if you know of anyone, friends or peers who may also benefit from this tutorial or the tutorials that I'm offering, would you share the link with them? Because I would love for them to have the opportunity to access this information as well. I want you to know I also send out a weekly email update to let you know what's coming up that week in my tutorials. I send it out every Monday. If you want access to that, please go over to my website, www.greatervisionconsulting.com, and subscribe to my email updates. While you're on my site, check out my bio, my background, my experience, as well as the services that I offer, because I would love the opportunity to work with you and your organization. That's it for today. I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow with another great tutorial. Talk to you soon. Bye.